Welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to put battery percentage on Windows 11 so you can see your exact battery level easily. It's quick and simple. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right-click the Windows Start button on the taskbar to open the Power menu. This menu gives fast access to important system tools. Step 2. Click Device Manager from the list to open your hardware settings. It shows all installed devices and drivers. Step 3. Expand the batteries section by clicking the arrow. This shows the battery drivers used by your system. Step 4. Right-click Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. This is the main battery driver in Windows 11. Step 5. Click Update Driver to check for a newer driver version. This can fix battery icon or percentage issues. Step 6. Click Search automatically for drivers so Windows checks for updates. It will find the best match if available. Step 7. Install the update if it appears and let it finish. Don't close the window during install. Step 8. Restart your computer to restore the battery icon on the taskbar. After reboot, the battery info should show correctly. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.